Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers for Nifty and Bank Nifty stocks. So before we get into this week analysis through Elliott waves, this is disclaimer. So just read carefully, and I'm not asking any investments. So be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans, explaining here. So this is our weekly watch list. So still we having another 11 pairs. This is a Titan from the starting itself. So and again another 11 pairs plus Nifty and Bank Nifty. So before we get into these stocks, first we will see the indices of Nifty. So this is my Nifty wave count. According to this, these are all perfectly did as per my expectation. So from here I expected exactly bounce back, and we are all in that buy from the lower levels in a lot of stocks. I didn't done that past week because I expected this fall and then again it has to rise and there is no movement in that. So exactly did that this week. So that is why I am again doing this. There's a lot of movement and a lot of opportunity. So now what I'm expecting here is in that 1 hour, so whether I will finish this one, so whether this is make it as an A, B and C means this is the end of that A, B, C is a for the flat correction I'm expecting, or whether this is a 1, 2, so this is a 3 means 4 it's already completed, or it could be an again irregular flat, or it could be a triangle is still valid because only the 5 waves this movement is already happened. So now again the 3-way movement to that around 11,100 is possible. After that it can break this high 11,784 and then again fall means that will become a irregular flat, or it will continue of the 5 waves to complete this 5th wave also. So my target is 12,200. Whether it is in a 4th wave is still ahead means if it is ended in that regular flat, from here I am expecting the 12,200 to 12,300 zone to complete this structure of 5th wave, or it could be an ending diagonal also, or it could be an irregular flat. If it is a 4th wave still ahead, apart from the triangle we can accept as an irregular flat also. So anyway this is the invalid point now. Is if it breaks below this means that will be a become again it's a B, C is a again it will be become a bigger correction. So that is why I have explained here. Right now what I am expecting in that 1 hour, this is the 5-way movement is completed here right now. So maybe it may be a little bit one more wave to the upper side up to here, and then again I am expecting a 3-way structure to the fall nearly 38.2 retracement, or it could be a 50% retracement also, or sometimes it looks like for me the 5-way is completed here means that could be a and this could be an B also here, but it didn't make a higher high and lower also. So this could be an irregular flat also. It looks like that, or it could be a triangle formation here in the 4th wave, or A B wave. C can continue like this here up to 11,627 also. That is why I am not counting here. I am not able to count here in this zone. So whether I thought this is the end of the 5th wave, so again we may get the 3-way structure, but it happened again one more high also. So whether this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, if it is a 5-way is ended and again the 3-way structure has to happen, or whether this is a and this part is B means I am not forcing this because there is no count to make a B wave here. So ABC A, so ABC B all up to like this it can happen, but here it already did a high but not broken this high. So whether this is a little bit confusion here, this is the end of the fourth wave means here this is the end of that fourth wave, whether this is a extended or this could be an A and this could be a B, very small b. That is why I'm not sure about this. Or if it is in a B means it is already, one second, it's not yet broken. This is 11,181 and this is 11,184 and it didn't broke this high also, so we can't make it as an irregular flat also. So only the thing is we have to accept this as a fourth wave, and this is the one, the whole thing is a 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is why I have already did a one more high is possible. So whether this is on wave 3, 4th and 5, or this could be an A and all those things is a B here, only small b and C. So that could be a zigzag also. So in that case this may be a in either condition. A, B, C is a A also, or the whole thing becomes a 5A structure is also A, or it could be a 1 also. Here how we have to make it, this is the problem we are facing here. Whether the 5A structure means if we took it as a correction there is no issues, but if we took it as an impulsive, this is the 1 2 and again we need to make it as a 1 2, but I am not so satisfied with this. But in either conditions after the 3-way pullback I am expecting one more high is possible above this anchor. This is 11,600 above I am expecting, but may or may not broke this 11,794. So right now this week I am expecting a pullback. Let's see how it moves in this week. So either pullback and then again making a bullish scenario. And once again I will explain you the US 30 also for the global indices. This is also looking like, yeah, one more wave is also possible. Here also one more wave is also possible, but if it took it this as an ABCA and whole thing is a irregular flat and then it can come to this target. So at that time what I'm expecting in our Nifty is it can be a deeper pullback also. So up to 10,950 again it may chances. So in either conditions I am looking only for that pullback, and we just simply place on a trend line. Yes, it has to break and close above this in the daily and then need to retest and then only again it has to go back. So right now I'm expecting a pullback. So in Bank Nifty, as per this I expected 20,800 and it make a deeper pullback to 20,400 and then again bounced. So exactly it did the 3-way structure and again bounced. So whether I'm looking only for bullish price action here, because I took it as this 1 2 3 4 5, the one impulsive structure, or it could be either A or 1, and this could be an ABC is a zigzag formation as a B or 2, and in the second wave only the zigzag may occur lot of times. So that is one more possible for the end of the correction of the second wave, or either if it is a B wave and it will struggle to move, keep on to break this high means 25,300 in coming days. If it is moving like a 3-way structure, if it is A B C A and again one more 3-way structure means we have to consider that we will be in bigger correction only. Or either in case if it is on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday like that, it will keep moving like to this zone. So there is a possibilities for 1 2 3 4 5 like that kind of wave formation can happen. But a Monday or Tuesday Wednesday like that, if we make it as a 3-way structure, that will be a bigger problem and we are still in the correction part only. So still there is a chances for making one more low also. But either if it is in a bullish scenario, if it did a three-way structure up to this key in this zone what I have drawn here up to 23,700 for the third wave, and then again consolidation fourth wave, and then fifth wave means that is a confirmation for that bullish scenario. Let's see how it moves. So next we will move on to the individual stocks. So Titan, Titan, Grasim, Reliance, we will finish one by one. So Titan, exactly what I said, no, is a five-way structure. Either this could be an end of that trend of that fourth wave as an irregular flat, what I said. From here it may be a bullish for the fifth wave, or it could be a three-way structure and then again fall also. So if it is a new impulsive wave start means we may get a three-way structure and then again fall. Otherwise, if this is the end of the fourth wave, so that is why I have marked this as a fourth. So now it is confirmed this is the end of the fourth wave and we are in that fifth wave to complete this structure. So either now we have to move this as a W here, or little bit higher is possible, that is a valid for this previous high. So 1225 means it's around 1226, also it's valid for that fifth wave to complete. So in that case, either this could be a B and C is completed, or this could be an A, B and C. So if it is a W, if it is an X, A means there is a lot of bigger thing, so we can't make it as a W, X. So that is why I didn't done like that kind of labelings. For me it's looking like a B, C as a B and C. So if it happened again like this kind, after this I'm expecting a little bit deeper correction once it reached the completion of the fifth wave, because A, B, C is A means again one more A, B, C has to happen, and it may fall around again 930, because if it is an A, B, C is a flat means flat correction for the B wave, it will happen up to 78.6 retracement to 90% also. But in the rare case, because I kept this as a fourth wave in the positional view, this could be an diagonal triangle or ending diagonal also. So in that case, A, B, C we can make it as labeled as a 1 and A, B, C as a 2. So the whole thing becomes a third, and for the fourth wave A, B, C, and again one more wave to the higher side is possible. I will move to the 4 hours. So in that case, here we have to make it as a ABC is a 1, ABC as a 2. The whole thing becomes A, and again B. It won't be a bigger correction for B because of this third wave, and again we can make it and it will break this high, and after that is the end of the third wave, because the third wave is an extended. So in either case this is a 1, 2, and if it is a W ended here means we may get X wave to 930 also again, or 900 zone, or either it is an ending diagonal triangle pattern. It can continue from here itself, it can continue for the third wave to break the previous high here to above this high. So that is the end of the third wave, and then again there is a fourth wave and then fifth wave. How now the Reliance is making. So I will give you the example also for the Reliance. See, the Reliance is moving, is the ending diagonal triangle pattern. So it's the ABC1, ABC is a 2. Here is the end of the third wave. Here is the end of the third wave, and it already broken the previous high also here, and this is the end. It's in the wave 1 also, it's already broke that one, the previous high. So now it is in that Feb retracement, it's above it. It's a diagonal formation, so that is above 1.272 now exactly because of the diagonal formation. So now I am expecting for the fourth wave. So like that in Titan also, the fifth way may be ending diagonal triangle. It will continue like that without any deeper pullback. So that is also one option. So whether we have to watch this here, but one more high is possible. That we know very well. Either this is making a triangle or bigger triangle like that. So that is also possible because of fourth way. I just completed this as a ABC as a 4 and ABC as a 5 is completed here, means that could be an triangle also from here. Exactly what I'm expecting here, it has to finish. So this is also the trend line, and we may get a bigger triangle formation in the positional fourth way. I will show you that weekly. This kind, it's a bigger fourth way triangle, and then it can show. So let's move on to Grasim. So Grasim also exactly what I said. It's exactly that. This is then a W X. So the 5A is the A, and B is an running flat, and C has to shoot. So as of now, this is the wave 1. This is the wave 2, means the third wave is still in progresses. So according to that, if it is a C wave, it could be a wedge formation, and then it can finish at what I said, this 800 and 820 is my target. It can go more higher than 775 or 800 like that, and then again it will be in wedge formation also. But one thing is, if it falls from here, as of now I don't have any idea. Right now it's doing as per my view, so it has to keep going above that 775 to 780 or 790 like that, or 800 also. Then there will be a fourth wave, and then again fifth wave. So that will be an edge wave formation for that C wave. And here also A, B, rejection B, and C I need at 795 to 828. So 830 approximately. So within this zone it has to finish the 5-way correction for 5-way impulsive for that C wave. So this is my Grasim view. So let's move on to the Reliance. I already explained that Reliance in previous stream also. So we are in the end of the third wave. I am expecting a fourth wave as a deeper correction. So that's, we are already in that. Is a 5-way structure here in the wedge formation, 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4, and then this is a 5. So this is a wedge formation. Whether we can make it as a B, C as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 also. So this is a wedge formation also. So A is completed. We are in that B. So B, it can reach up to 2300 in that 3-way structure, and again may fall. Or in case it may go above this high, then that will become a irregular flat. So it can fall below this as a expanded flat, or it could be like this as a running flat, or it could be a triangle also. So in the fourth wave only it will make like a triangle, and it may be an irregular flat also. So whether we have to watch here the wave formation, then only we have to look for that entry. But from here we can, for the short term I am looking only for that 2350 is possible. But for me here it's a completion of that, and it's looking like a 5-way impulsive, and 3-way is already dead. So well, let's see how the wave formation is happening here, and then only we have to enter for that 5th wave. So let's move on to the Tata Motors. One second, we will check that. Yeah, Tata Motors and Bajaj Finance and TV. Yeah, Tata Motors also I already entered at 130 here. I thought this is the end of that 5th wave, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, but the 5th wave got extended, but I didn't add anything because I just busy in my forex and other pairs, so I didn't watch this zone. Otherwise I could be entered here itself, but I missed this entry. I entered at 130, still having that positions. So right now this is looking like a 5-way structure and we are in that B wave. So B wave is also A. So B and C is already finished, or it may make a expander flat like that and then again it may go. But is all three waves only I am looking for, because it's a W is finished, X is finished. Now this is a bigger correction, or this is a simple correction is ended and it will keep going on. So that we can't say here, because it's A, B, C as an W, because there is not 5-way structure here. That is why I have marked it as an A, B, C as a W. Otherwise A, B, C is a and B is a triangle. C means it's a 5-way structure, but I'm not sure about this thing as a 5-way, to make it as a 5-way structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is also a possible, but I'm not sure, because A, B, C, A and B. So anyway we have to make it as a W only here. So in that case, if it is a W, A, B, C is a one simple correction is got over, and again if it is a simple correction, it has a chances for making a higher to that 185 to 190 or 200 also in a 3-way structure. But here it's already did one or A, so B and C can go up to here and then again fall also. Mind that we are in the bigger correction for the connecting wave X. That could be a simple, or it could be a bigger than this one. Because from here to nearly 63 to 155. So nearly we already moved the double, above the double. So we need a bigger correction here. So then only it will be boom. It won't immediately go like this, I think so. Because either if it is in a diagonal pattern only, it can move like that. But if it is in a regular flat correction, it will give a at least a minimum, I'm expecting the 100 zone again. So let's move on to Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance also, that last stream I said in last video, I expected a 2800, but it didn't came. It's a nearly 3000 it came. So maybe a chances for again one more wave for the complex correction, how I am expecting in the Tata Motors. So like that it may happen. So A, B, C is completed. Maybe it can go like this, or it could make a triangle, or whatever it is, because A is complete. The 5-way structure is got ended. So B may be a triangle, or maybe a irregular flat, or it could be a irregular flat. So this is what I'm expecting. So in case B is already ended here, means we will see only the 5-way after the 5-way structure. So A, B and C is a 1 and 2, 3, like that it will continue, because the C got a 5-way structure. I think it's already only the 23.6 is done, completed. No, it's a 30. Yeah, 38.2 is completed. So there is a chances for, if it is a zigzag, it is a 5-way is completed, and B is a if it is a single simple correction, A is completed, B is completed, and then C we may make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that could be an A equal to AB is equal to CD pattern. So the target is around same the previous high of 4.8. That is also possible, but for me the B wave will took time for me, I think so. Whether it could be an irregular flat or it could be a triangle. Let's see this is making a regular flat or not. So next we will move on to Sun TV. So Sun TV is also in little correction only. It's not yet started. We already entered at 4:30 and still I didn't done anything. I didn't add and I didn't book, just keep on watching to add the position. Because if I took it as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got ended. So again there is no chances for third way to placing here, because third way is around 1618, but here it did only that ABC equal to CD pattern. Either for me is the next positional view, means it can go like this, and if it is false like this, then there is a bigger correction only. That in impulsive wave is not yet started, because I am expecting only the C wave to the upper side. So A is completed, B is completed, and if it did like this, there is a rare chances for that C wave to making a above the high. In that case, what I am looking is B wave may be a bigger correction. So let's see, I am not biased on this. So whether I am expecting like a 1 to 1 to only. Let's see how it moves. So as of now, I'm expecting a little bit deeper 2 second base is also possible. To again retest this zone also it's possible. But no need to break this low. This low. In this zone, if it retests this zone, again we are in that bigger correction only. Mind that. So next we will move on to JSW Steel. I think that's the JSW, right? Yeah, Sun TV, JSW, then Lupin and Sun Pharma. So here in either case, it's still, I already added at 262 in this level and I exited at 280 level because finding this as an impulsive wave, and I'm expecting a little bit three-way structure. So exactly it is happening, the three-way structure. Just move on to the 15 minutes. The five-way structure is over. So ABC, it's something it's doing here. Once again we will watch it. Yes, the five-way structure. So A B C. So either it's the end here and we are in the impulsive wave, because I'm expecting this is the end of the fourth wave. So fifth wave maybe is a 1, 2, and then third wave has to be bigger. But here it is happening a three-way structure. Let's see how it behaves here, because A is completed means this is a B and C is 1, 2, so 3, 4, 5. So either it could be chances for making a irregular flat also. So or it could be a triangle also. If it is a fifth wave for the means, it won't be like this. It won't be this much length in the one like that. I think so. Because fifth way, I am looking only for that price action 160 to 200 means around 40 points only. But already it did the 40 points here, nearly almost 35 points. So wave 1 is equal to wave 5. But this is not looking like that. Wave 1 is completed and it keep on going for that fifth wave. So anyway, let's see. But I'm expecting only the bullish scenario to 310 to 315 is my target. So maybe it can reach 320 also. So in that, after that, that is a confusion, because whether this is a B or C, or this is a 1, 2 and 3 is completed and again for the fourth wave and then again fifth wave. So either this fourth wave may be a triangle also. So in either scenario, my target is for the short term is 310 to 320. So let's move on to Lupin. Lupin is also in big confusion, I said in the previous video also, whether this is the A, so B is in running flat, C 1, 2 and overlapping waves can happen. So this is the 2 and third wave is finished, fourth wave and it can be like a fifth wave like this I'm expected, but it came like a ABC formation. But here it's not looking like a big impulsive move. So if it is fall again, so right now I'm not trading this one Lupin, because I'm just keep on to enter the trade. It is not allowing, but the wave formation what I'm expecting is not happening here. That is why I'm still out of the trade. I just keep on watching and analysis this only. But right now I'm not getting anything, because if it is ended here, I thought this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and I expected a bigger correction to this zone 700, but it failed and it broke the high. So now what I'm expecting is it could be A, B and C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So anyway, without knowing anything, we can't enter here in the higher prices. So once that wave is completion and then only we can to we enter. See, I'm not simply blindly to enter here and then let's see and keep on averaging, means that is not a good to I invest and not for the trading also. So let's move to Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma is a little bit clear direction. Exactly the A, B, C has completed, or this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth way is also completed. So in either condition, if it is in a deeper correction only, so I won't still buy here. Maybe for that shorter term we can enter here and we can book at 540 like that. Only the 40 points it's there. But for the 40 points, if it comes to that 425, nearly 70 points is there for that downside movement. So better to watch and enter only after the correction is ended. It's not here. And see, sometimes it's looking like a deeper correction also. It's a wedge formation. So either case, let's see whether if it is comes to that 472, that is a little bit good buy for that target for that another three-way structure. But we need to buy here. It's around 470 zone. We can buy in the split positions. And once we bought here means 470, again we need to wait for that around 400 to 420 zone we can buy the next buy zone. And we need to watch the wave formation. If it reaches the 470, the bounce we need to see whether it is very aggressive, then we can add. If it is an aggressive and the confirmation, we can add. So without knowing that, we can't enter here. So right now let's see whether how it behaves. And then it's SBI. So in SBI also, it's a deeper pullback. It's already done, and I exactly bought at 169. Sorry, 179. I bought here at 179, not 169, 179. Still holding the position, but I'm already having the position at 196. I think so. Yeah, 196 I think so. I'm having the position, and again what I expected is again the pullback. I entered for the pullback of 280 to 220, but it didn't give. It's a zigzag correction. It's a 1 2 3 4 5 or ABCA and ABCB, and C is already fall. So it's looking like anything I'm expecting for that again 210 zone. Either it is a bullish or a bearish. I'm expecting here up to that 210 to it may be a 220 zone also if it is a 78.6 retracement. But here we have to watch this wave formation. Here we will just move on to that 1 hour. It's the impulsive. So ABC is done, and again ABC is also done. So again we may get a deeper pullback, and then again it can shoot. So either this could be a 1 2 and then it will be continue as a 3 4 5 like that. Because if it is in WX, so A, B, C like that, it can make it for the 3-wave structure. Or if it is in wave 1 in the diagonal formation, is A, B, C is a 1, A, B, C as a 2. So that will become a diagonal formation pattern. So let's see, because I'm sure about this is going to be a bullish scenario only. But in either case, apart from us, if it keeps coming down, we just need to watch that wave formation. Because in either Nifty also I'm looking for that pullback, and Bank Nifty also looking for the pullback. Let's see how it moves, whether we are in the deeper correction. So because this is a single correction is over, again one more correction to the upper side, and then again there is a chances for the downside as also possible, the deeper correction if it is there. As of now, this is an A, this is a B, and C is completed. Here is a one way of A, B, C is also completed. So if this is a connecting wave, I'm expecting one more bigger ABC has to happen. This much length has to happen here. So let's see how it moves. But because my bias is only for the upper side only. Maybe it can consolidate for a 3 to 4 months here itself. That is also possible, like this. So nearly June to August. So nearly from June 8th to August, yeah, it's nearly 2.5 months is consolidated here. like that. It may be a bigger consolidate here, and then again it can shoot. So let's move on to ICICI. Same plan. There is no change as far as that. It's looking, all the banks looking like that only. So whether this is a W, and I took it this as an X, because A, B and C, this is a W, and this as an X, A, B, C. So here also 1 A, B, C is completed, and again we may get a three-way structure. Whether this is the connecting wave, or the connecting wave may be a complex correction also. How means, like this it can happen, and then again it will shoot like this. So ABC and again three-way pullback, and again it may be go to the higher range, and again it may fall. So if it is fall means this X is still here, and then again ABC, but the target is same. I'm expecting that 500 to 520 zone is my target. So let's move on to Axis Bank. Axis Bank also same. This is an A, the whole thing becomes a B and C. ABC is completed. Same plan, everything all the same pattern. Bank Nifty, ICICI and Axis all same thing. It's look like same. ABC is over. So again this is whether this connecting wave is got completed and we are in the bullish wave, or the connecting waves get complicated, and then again one more low is also possible. So next we will move on to DCB Bank. So DCB Bank also A, B, C as a A, and in previous I took it this as an triangle, and then C got over, or this could be an A, B, C, but if we kept this as an, then from here itself it has to shoot, but it already broke that. So if it won't be like this kind of I'm not sure about this wave structure. It may give this much of corrections. I'm not sure about that. I'm not forcing this chart, but as of now I'm looking that simple correction has ended here. How we kept this, all that Axis Bank, ICICI, SBI, one simple correction is ended means like this. ABC is over, and again one more ABC is already completed. Whether what I'm looking here is a little bit higher range, and then again may down, and then again it can shoot. So in that case this will be a correction, ABCA and A, this is the B and C. So this is a wave analysis. This is not an Elliott wave. What I'm trying to say, this is not Elliott wave, this is the wave analysis. So it's looking like that irregular flat like that what they said, and again to the downside of this kind of structure has to happen here. The same thing what I'm expecting here is a ABC is a or W, and the connecting wave is an X, and again ABC has to happen here. So in either way all the thing is showing short term for bullish, and then another short term for the bearish. One more way is up low is possible for me, I think so, but there is a chances for it. If it is in single correction, it has a chances for making a higher. It can go above this zone also. In that case what they did is, they will do for the wave analysis, they will make it this as a correction. So A, B and C, and if it is a bigger correction they will do like this. So either all same only, but that answer is same. Whether it is making a small correction and it can go higher, or if it is a deeper correction, one more way to the lower, and then again three-way structure to the upper side is possible. So RBL. So RBL also whether this is a 1, 2, 3 and 4 as a triangle and fifth way got completed. So 1A, B, C is got completed, and again I'm expecting one more three-way pullback. Then there is a one more low is possible, or it can shoot from here itself if it is a simple correction. Here is a one more thing, ABC. So ABC is a B. So this is also a possible count for that RBL. ABCA. So AB is in that center triangle and C is got completed, and again here also ABCA. So in that case ABC as a. So the whole thing is a B, and then C has to shoot. So that is a one more way possibility. So I think as per this watch list, we completed nearly 16 pairs, including this is a 14 and Nifty and Bank Nifty. So right now our regular watch list is as per about the L&T. So L&T is also same as per that. It's looking like Bank Nifty. 1 A, B, C is over, and again one more ABC is over, and again one more A, B and C is over. So anyway, it's a 5 swings is over, right? I'm talking about the swings, this is not the wave count. After that I need a 3-way structure, but it's looked like a 5-way structure for me, and I need a 3-way structure, and then again one more down it's possible. This is I think it won't go immediately. I think so it's a flying from here. I'm already in buy at 860 zone. I already bought. Right now it's still in profit only, and I already entered in previous at 950 zone. I entered because in that previous my analysis is different. Once the wave is moving as a bullish, our thinking will be in bullish. That is why I have entered at 950. And I thought it could be in this trend line, and it will go up to the 1120. I thought like that, but it came down. So once I entered at 950 here, 950, I thought it's A, B, C is over, and then again it will shoot. But what happened? It came down. So now this is the 1, 2, this is the 3, 4 and 5. This is already ended because it's already did a here. It's a 4th way is an irregular flat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed. So after the 5, 3-way structure has to happen. So this is not looking like a 3-way structure, even though if it is a very impulsive A, B, C also, it won't come immediately because it has to happen one more A and B. So C has to shoot up to here in this zone. This is the maximum resistance zone. So again 950 I will exit my position because I'm already having a position at 860, and I booked at here, and then again I buy back at 890, and again I'm looking only for that zone of 952. Maybe it can go up to 970 also. So let's see. And L&T is already finished, and Raymond is still in the consolidation of triangle. It's not yet broken, the triangle, the 4th way. So as per what I said, this if it is an A, B, C, D, E means it has to come to the downside. It has to break this, but it didn't break this low, but it broke this low. So now this is a ABC is a 3-way structure is finished. Now here also 3-way structure is finished, but A, B, C, D, E means it has to fall from here. So as per this it has to fall, but my idea is if it is a bigger correction, this is a A, this is the whole thing is B, and this whole thing if it reaches here, if it break this high, so the whole thing becomes A, B, C is done. So again D and E. So there is a lot of range bound we may get. So what we have to do is, in every low, for me what I'm expecting here is, if it breaks this high, I'm not talking about to buy here, if it breaks the high, then that will consider as A, B, and then this is the C. So there is a one more chances we may buy here, but only the little risk, not in big quantity, because I'm expecting as a uh, triangle. So D means E, at least it may give us a 280. So if we bought at 250 also in this zone, or 20 points, 25 points, we have to book immediately, we have to exit, because some E waves will be very small. It may make a 38.2 or 50 retracement also. So that it depends upon your wave formation and your view. So let's see, but there is a chances for, from here itself it can go A, B, C, D, and E is finished, means it has to come to the downside for my target of 160 to buy. So that is my view in Raymond. So Mahanagara Gas, that is already I am already in at 890 zone. From here itself I already bought, but I didn't book because it's looking like a three-way structure only. It's looked like a three-way structure. So what I thought here is, this is the A, B, C is the completion, means as per my analysis previous, W, X is completed. So A, B, and C. So in that case, A is a five-way structure. So it is making 1, 2, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So after that 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, it has to keep continuing like that, but not to break this low. But there is a chances, I already explained that. So if it is an A, B, C, means C contains a five-way structure and it can give a wedge formation also, and there is a lot of space to go to reach up to 78.6 also. I explained that and it already did the same. I didn't add anything because 1, 2, 3 is completed, again 4 is completed, and then again it has to reach that fifth wave to break this low. And there is a one more chances also in different view. If it is a ABC is a W, and this is an X, this is a five-way structure is a and B, and C is also ended. So in that case, either case it has to be in bullish. So I already entered at 890. Unnecessarily I don't want to add here to risk more. If it is reaches to 760 zone, I can buy. So that is the completion of that 5 waves in that C wave. That is the completion, and that is the confirmation for me. But I don't want to enter here. If it could be in W, X, A, B, C also, it has to be in down bullish side. So once it break this high, and again it may give me pullback, then that pullback I will add. I need to average 1 or 2 averages only. It's not, I won't suggest to average more. One entry is perfect, and the next view is the next here. So like that only we need to average, not keep averaging to the downside. One, and my plan is only I will add at 2 times only, because the first entry every anytime it can miss also. Lot of times as one alternative view. That is why I have already presented my view. There is an alternative view also. Don't stick to your analysis. There is an opportunity for that alternative counts. That is why we need to be looking for all the possibilities. If you know all the possibilities only, you can fix to your trade plan. How I did here. So I'm waiting for that to reach the 750. Then only I will buy. Otherwise I won't buy. It's enough for me. It's 790. It's I entered at 890. My target is 1200. That is sufficient for me. Nearly it's a 30 to 40%, right? That is enough. Don't be a very greedy. So let's move on to ITC. It's a very slow movement. I didn't know about that past, but I already entered at 190 zone. Again what I did is I added at here. 169.3 I added exactly here, but I don't want to add more if it comes to, because very slow movement, it's not a big movement here, but I don't know whether how it moves in the previous. It's a fall is very huge fall that came aggressively, but see the movement from the bullish side is very slow, right? So I need to concentrate in that very fast moving, because we are a trader, not an investor. I'm a trader, not an investor, but I will do only investing in such uh, different this one. I don't want to invest in this kind of slow movement. It's all only for the dividend they are giving, right? The dividend for the 10% of yearly. For those who deposit in the banks, that they for them that will work out. But for like kind of trader or a little bit fast movement pair we are doing, no, for that personality it won't suit. So let's see, this is my view, whether it can aggressive move to that 190. I will exit my position. I won't add and I won't trade here. Only for analysis purposes I can do it for you, but not for me. And let's move on to Ashok Leyland. So Ashok Leyland also, what I did is I exited at 80 and then again I buy back at 72, but again I missed the previous low also, 67 it came, but I buy back at 72. It's a little bit early entry also. So now what I'm looking here is, it's a ABC is a W, so X ABC is completed. So the whole thing becomes a W pattern and it's a correction pattern only. So once ABC is a W, or if it is a ABC is the A, B is a triangle, C has to be in 5-way structure, but this is a failed to make a 5-way structure. So we need to label it as a WXABC only. So if it is a bigger correction means the whole thing becomes a 3-way structure only. So I am again looking for the 3-way structure to nearly 55 or like that I am expecting. So in that case what I will do is I will just keep, we bought at 72 again. If it goes around 85, I need to watch this wave formation and this price action. Then if it gets rejected in that 1272 zone, the 85, 88, if it is a little bit rejection means I need to exit my off position, or it may be a full also, and I am looking for that irregular flat. Maybe from here it can shoot, or it can be an extended flat and then it can shoot, or it could be a triangle and then it can be shoot. So that's it from Ashok Leyland. And then IOC, that is also very slow movement. And IOC, I need to explain that previous positional view, because for me what I thought is, this is an A, this is a 5-way structure, 1 2 3 yeah, 3 is ended, so 4 also ended in the triangle, and then 5, so I make it as an A. We can make it as an A also, but some cases A, B and C. So this A, once again I will show you that A, B and C is a 5-way structure. Here is a 1 2 3 and 4 is a triangle and then 5-way structure, and then I took it as an B and then C. So this is a W and this is a connecting wave X, and for that connecting wave this is a Y wave structure, means contains of A, B, C. So this is got an already ended. So that is why I labeled here, and then it already did a 5-way structure. For 5-way structure we need a correction of ABC. So in that also it's did A, B and C, but I'm not sure about that because it didn't break this high also, and it didn't break this low also. So what I thought is 5-way is maybe a little bit wedge formation also. That is why it's a 1 2, and what I did is it could be a 3rd and 4th is ended and 5th way is ended in the wedge formation, like that kind of, and that is why I entered at 81.3 also. but it failed and then again fall. And I told on the previous stream also, if it is a 1 2 3 and this could be a 4 and 5 as a chances for to make a low also, but now it is perfectly double bottom. So whether it may be a bigger push to the upside is possible, or if it is, this is a, this is a B, it can go up to here and then again it may fall also. So if it is fall means what kind of structure will be there? So that is why I need to explain here. So if it is in fall means what we have to do is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this 5-way structure will become a, not W. What I thought is A, B, C is a, B and C, but this could be a 5-way structure. So this could be an B is a connecting wave, and C is a 1 is completed, 2 completed, 3rd completed, and this could be a C. Here what I said, no, that starting of that 5 ways could be a end of the C wave of irregular flat also. So this may be an irregular flat. So that could be end of 4th and 5th wave. What it will happen here is this becomes 1. So this is the 2 and we are in the 3rd wave, bigger 3rd wave. So again it may 4th wave can happen here and then again it may fall also. So either I am having the 2 views now. The positional 5th wave is still ahead, or it could be in a little bit bounce from here and then it will make a slower moving of this pair. Or either if it didn't break this low and if it keeps shooting means that will consider as a per my previous analysis, 1 2 or A or B, like that it can keep on shooting. So next we will move on to Hindalco. So Hindalco also, what I expected is exactly, I thought we have to label it as, change it as an 1 2 3, and I have showed in that my stream also. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5. So after that connection, the impulsive wave 5 is ended, A B C is gone, it's already finished, and again one more A B C has to happen. So my Hindalco view is up to 192 is possible, and then again a fall. Or what it will do is A B C, it can make a irregular flat also. It can go above the high of A wave and then again fall also. So anyway, I am looking only for that correction for the 3-way structure to the downside. So next we will move on to Wipro for the IT sectors. So Wipro also, I will show you that exactly. I exited at we bought at what 272 and exited at 294. I exited. So it did at 325 also. No worries about that because the 5-way structure is got completed here. And see now why I am explaining here is in the different scenario. See 1 2, my first view is this is the thing, 1 2 3 4 is a triangle, 5 got over. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is the what I look at the first sight here. But if it see closely, okay, this could be an, see if it comes like this in the 3-way structure, and then again if it shoots to the upper side nearly to 350, how will you count this? I will show you that. This could be a 1 2, and again this could be a 1 and this could be a 2, or here 2 1 2, like that we have to create that waves. 1 2 3 4 and 5 got completed, and for this one, and this is the 2 3 4 and 5, and for this one 2, and then it will keep moving. So that is also chances what I'm trying to say. See, if we clearly watch in that 4 hours here, for me this is an impulsive wave. This is also ABC. I took it as ABC and ABC like that. I just keep counting like that only. Where B, C, D, E, and fourth way is a triangle, and then fifth way. But if it keep going on, what I said, we need to change all those things. Mind that. Then this will become 1, and again 2, and again here 1, 2. So 3, 4, and 5 is completed. And for this one, for this 2, and again it will keep going on. You can understand, you have to work for that. If you are understanding, it's no issues, but I am trying to explain here, but you have to catch that these waves are, if it falls down, this wave count is valid. If the price actions keep moving on, we need to simply alter this here. This position we have to alter. So next we move on, and one more thing here, I forget to see in this weekly also. One second. Yeah. I will remove this. Yeah. See, this is a candlestick pattern, and exactly in the resistance trend line also. So if it moves above the closing above the 323 only, it's a bullish. So till then this count is valid. And weekly is also a doji candle, and it's perfectly, it formed in that resistance zone. So once it touched that resistance of the trend line, we may get a three-way structure. See, once it touched the three-way structure, and again we may get a three-way structure. Here also the trend line touched three-way structure. So near to the trend line, three-way structure. Here also near to the trend line and three-way structure. So like that one it's happening, but I didn't count here. Just I did only this one. So again the three-way structure can happen. Then after the three-way we can buy. So three-way structure is happening. Just have an example. So this is the three-way structure. For this swing, it did nearly 61.8. So if for this swing we need to enter at the 61.8, like that we can enter in this. So Infosys. So Infosys also, for me it's looking like it's already third wave is ended, and exactly what I said, the fifth wave, here is a 1, 2, 3, 4th, and fifth wave got ended, but still there is a chances for making like this, and the fourth wave may go like here, and there is a one more chances for that upper side is also possible. So don't stick to your count, it may do like this also for that fourth wave. Fourth wave is a very tough to trade. Sorry, the fifth to labeling the fourth wave is very tough. We conclude this as a fourth wave and then fifth wave is ended, but still it may be alive, or this could be A, B, C, D, E as a triangle and then it can shoot, or it could be an irregular flat and then it can shoot. So that is why I am not so much interested to trade that fifth wave. We can't identify that which is the fifth wave, where it starts. So I think I finished everything, and one more opportunity I will just cover that also. Apollo tires. So Apollo tire also, I just entered here exactly at 114. I entered here. Yeah, 114. This trend line only I entered exactly at 114. The low, perfect low, because this is a 5-way ended, and just keep on watching in the morning. I added here 114.20 in this zone, and what I'm looking here is this is a 5-way structure and this is the end of the 3-way structure, and now I'm looking for this. So what I did is I exited my position at 134. 132. Yeah, 132 I exited my position because it's looking like a 5-way is ended here. So that is why I exited in 132. I exited my position. Now I'm looking for the 3-way structure to the downside. Whether it could be an W, this could be an X, this could be A, and this is the B. So C contains a 5-way structure. So this is a W and this is the X, A, B, C. I'm looking for the 3rd way to complete here as a diagonal triangle pattern. So this is an A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B, C is a W. Okay, X, A, B, C. Okay, so and this is the trend line is also broken. So now I am expecting that 3rd way to complete to here, but whether it may give a pullback or it may shoot from here itself, can't say, because I exited at 132 nearly off position, and then again I kept for that off position here to refill that. And yeah, I think in Castrol also one more opportunity that I will explain that also, and you can follow me in the front page also. So Castrol is an A, so B is a triangle, and C it has to come to break this lower level, but it didn't break yet. So I just keep waiting for that 102 to 104 level, and I will add, and for the target of 140 zone, and that is a C wave. In previous I thought this is an A, B and C has to shoot, but still if it is there, if it didn't break this low, there is a still chances for that kind of A, B, this is the C, D and E, and then after that this B will become here, and then again it can shoot. But still now if it breaks this, means that will be a end of that trend in that B wave, because this B wave may be a triangle here, 1, 2, 3, and we are in the 4th wave. I will show you in the 15 minutes. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and we are in the 4th wave, and if it breaks this low and this low, this low, we need to be in buy side. It's not yet broken, so just this is a good opportunity for you. That is why I have added that. So if it is an end of that 5th wave, means we can buy. So around 105 or 104 anything, but it will be spike, and then again it will go to shoot also, because it's a triangle breakout, and the end of that triangle breakout, it's also the end of that C wave also. So once the A, B and then C, means that will be very aggressive and very fast move, and to reach that target is very easily. Like this kind of wave formation can happen here. So I think I finished everything, nearly 26 pairs or 27 pairs. So thanks for watching my analysis through Elliott waves. Thanks for commenting, thanks for liking and sharing that. So have a nice profitable week, and we will see in the next week or after that 15 days if it is the movement is there, and if it is an opportunity I will make a stream. So have a nice day. Thanks a lot.